Now you are ready to start sending your fans loyalty points. In this video, we'll go through 5 fun and easy ways to reward your fans. You can instantly reward fans when they join your MyFavorito community. Click on Settings in the navigation toolbar. Scroll down to Follow-up Action and click Edit. Select Add Loyalty Points to User from the drop-down menu, and choose the number of loyalty points you would like to give new users. Click Add, and that's it. New users will now automatically receive loyalty points when they join your community. You can also reward fans when they buy team merchandise. This can be done with paper-based action codes. A paper-based action code includes a QR code that can be scanned with the MyFavorito mobile app and an alphanumeric code that can be manually entered into the MyFavorito website. Click Loyalty System in the navigation toolbar. Select paper-based action codes. We will be covering speaking codes at a later point in this tutorial. Give your action code a title and choose how many loyalty points you want to reward each fan with when they scan this code. Choose how many codes you would like to create. Now you can choose the color and design of your action code. Simply click Change and select the loyalty points template from the list. Upload your club logo and adjust the colors. You can also see what your codes will look like using the preview PDF. In the advanced settings, you can decide how long the code will be active for, and you can also choose a follow-up action for fans that redeem this code. Click Save and you have created your first action code. Depending on how many codes you are generating, it may take some time to create the PDF, but you will receive an email notification when your codes are ready. Download and print the codes and give them to customers that make purchases in your merchandise store. With speaking action codes, you can also reward fans that pay attention to your social media posts, advertisements, or game day announcements. A speaking code is a word or phrase that may appear in an advertisement, hashtag, or social media post that fans can enter into the mobile or web app and receive loyalty points. The process is very similar to paper-based action codes with some small differences. Hover over loyalty points in the navigation toolbar and click Add. Select Speaking Action Code. Enter a title and choose how many loyalty points you want to reward fans with and how many times fans can redeem this code. If you select No Restriction, fans can redeem this code as many times as they like. However, you can limit how often they redeem it or set a limit for the total number of redemptions for all fans. Or you can restrict it to 1 scan per fan. Now the most important part. Decide on the word or phrase that fans can enter into the mobile or web app to redeem for loyalty points. In the advanced settings, you can decide how long the code is valid for and set up follow-up actions for fans that redeem it. Now let's see what it looks like for fans in the mobile app. You can also spontaneously reward all users in your community with loyalty points. This can be a great way to share your team's success with fans in real time. For example, if you score a goal or win a match, you can instantly send loyalty points to fans. In the MyFavorito mobile app, administrators can access additional settings. Click the settings icon in the top right-hand corner and select Notify and Reward. Write a message to your fans and decide how many loyalty points to reward them with. Click Send and the members of your community will be instantly notified. And finally, fans can earn points when they refer their friends to join the community. To set this up, click on Settings in the navigation toolbar. Scroll down to Referral and click Edit. Here you can edit the referral message text and decide on how many points you would like to give the referral sender and the referral recipient. Scroll down and upload an image. This is what your fans will see in the mobile and web app. And click Save. Now members of your community can see that they can invite friends and earn points. Every fan has a unique referral code. Fans can simply send the message with the code to all their friends via email or social media. When they sign up, their friends will enter the code and get the points, and the referral will also automatically receive their loyalty points.